Hi guys, so I see everybody doing the don't rush challenge, and they start looking all messed up, and then they take their brush and they come and clean the face of the camera, and then there's a transition and they're looking good. But today I'm going to show you many ways that you can do those transitions without necessarily having to come and wipe your brush or whatever in front of the camera. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Don't rush, slow touch, right away. We can do this, man, go back. There we go, man, go back. There we go, right up.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
All right, so the first thing you can do is, you can just have something pass in front of the camera, but not necessarily fully in front of the camera like that. So you can use that one as a transition. So in this video, I'm using like this brush as a transition. So once it passes over my face, and then you get the next level. So you just need something to be able to pass over your face if it's your face you want to transition, or you can just use it to pass but not necessarily come and cover the camera. Okay, you can just use it to ensure that you have a clean pass, and that's one way that you can do it. And once you do it this way, you are going to definitely get the kind of look that you're looking for. Now, another thing that you can actually do is to like do a wipe on your face. So this is real time. This is like no cut, yeah? So you do it like this, and then you do some masking, some editing, and voila! Like you do it like voila, and you do it like voila. You do it like this. Ta-da! And it's the new you know what I'm saying? And so yeah, there are many other ways that you can do it. Like you can do it in real time. You can be talking, can talk, freeze frame, and you just transform like a transformer. You know what I'm saying? You do it, and then it just transforms you into the new guy. You know what I'm saying? So there are many things you can do. You can do like a wipe like this. So I could do like. Can do like so there are many ways you can do it. Let me know what you think about this video. If you're new to my channel, I do mobile phone reviews, mobile app reviews, and I bring to you entertaining mobile gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision whenever you need to make a purchase. So if you like that kind of content, click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks, baby. Now let's sing. Slow touch, right over, right over, and we go up, shine over, and my doors, hey, right us, biggie boy. And go like and get the goose and get those and gotta get the goose. Hey, rush, slow this, whatever. We can do this, there get this, they get this, bag up, get the good shot. Thanks for playing.